Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. In this one, we're looking at Safe Lives, Ending Domestic Abuse, Multi-Agency Risk Assessment Conference data. There's several Excel files. I've opened one of them here, and you can see the kinds of data there is by looking on the screen here. It's very prettified and everything, but needs to be sorted so it can be useful. So we've imported it all into the database. There's 4 tables, 18,000 rows, data going back to 2017. And if we have a quick look inside, here's the cases data. So you can see that kind of data there. Recommended number of cases, numbers of repeat cases, and various other measures. Cases by gender. So you've got the cases by different things like female victims, male victims, but also the area and so on. And characteristics of victims. So you can see on the screen the source of measures there and the numbers, and then there's referral routes. And you can see again kinds of measures and so on. So if you want to get into that data and make use of it, follow the link in the description where you can get free access to this and the thousands and thousands of other stats data for 30 days and see what you think. Thanks.